Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Dobutamine. Dobutamine is Dobutamine has short term. It is actually short term use in congestive heart failure. It is not used for longer time. Okay, actually dobutamine is not used for longer time because there is development of tolerance is seen with the dobutamine. So as a result it is only given for shorter period. So because of this tolerance, intermittent or episodic use of dobutamine is preferred rather than continuous use. That is, short term use of dobutamine is preferred rather than using for a longer period of time. So this dobutamine is given as an intravenous infusion, and it has a half life of dobutamine is around 2 minutes, and this dobutamine is used in refractory heart failure. One more important thing in dobutamine is the drug of choice for decompensated heart failure. It is a drug of choice for decompensated heart failure.
thank you and thank you for watching.